left off, I was my boss walked in while I was making a video. So anyway, so I'm going to sell half. So that's right there. So we got out of half of our position. And then when we get to the end of the week, we'd wait till the end of the week. Let me show you the chart. Okay, it does that. It does that little jiggly. Okay, so now that I have a red arrow, I'll exit out of the other half of the position. So let's get over here and create the closing order. And there you go. That's the entire trade right there. So we made $328 with a $500 risk, and we did that in a month. Yeah, from the 5th, yeah, about a month, just right at a month. So going forward, we'll just stay with IWM, and let's see. We'll go to the next week. I'll show you our next entry. Okay, go to the next week. All right, that one didn't quite give us a blue arrow. Go to the next week. All right, no signal yet. You know, and I don't know if you remember that February 2nd, 2018 was pretty rough. Oh, okay, so what I would do on this is I would take the Monday morning. So I'd have to go to, since I missed it, since it signaled at the end of the day, I'm going to take the Monday morning at, let's just do 8 o'clock, give everything a chance to wake up. Sometimes you have to do this right here, just to make that clock reset. Okay. So see how we got the arrow there. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the same math. 154.02. Close. 153.98 minus the low 142.5 equals, multiply that by 0.7. So that's 8. So I'm only going to be able to do one contract on that one. So let's try it. Let's try it with one. The problem is the distance from here to here to risk $500 is pretty intense. That happens to you on the weekly though. So we'll go here.
Hey, brother.
And we'll just pop that one right there. That's approximately it. So now I'm only going to put one on. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're going to go to the end of the week, which is the 2nd of March. Okay, don't like the way that's going. Go to the next one. It's going in the wrong direction. Needs to go the other way. Oh, there we go. That's pretty nice. So the other thing that I'm doing is I'm taking 70% just to kind of give you a visual of what this is. I'm going to take the distance from here to here. Activate the drawing. So basically about right here is where I want to start looking to get out of this trade. At the same time, I'm going to take that line I had in the sand over here, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So that would be about right there. That would be my trailing stop on the trade. So let's go to the 16th. Okay, so I'm going to have to move my trailing stop. And I'd move that daily, but the trailing stop's going to go right here. And we should be positive on that too. I mean, I'm up $153. So let's keep going. Go to the next week. Okay, I got a red arrow. So, and wait a minute. So right, actually, this would have moved up to here, right there. So on this day is when I would have exited, which would have been 319 because that's when I got to close below that line. So let me go back to 319, which is the Monday. Go. Of course, I would have done that at the end of the day. Go. Okay, so see that close below that. That made a higher high, so this becomes the candle that I'm working off of. Zoom into that. So when we close below here is when I would close the trade, which would be on this day. And because I only had one contract, I couldn't do any scaling. So wait for the pre-buffering to stop. Okay, so boom, create a closing. And that's pretty much it. That's the trade in a nutshell. If I'd have had two on, I would have scaled half of it. And then I would have gone to the 23rd, and then I would have scaled the other, gotten out of the trade completely. So that's the rules in a nutshell. Hopefully you can understand that and help me write the rules so that we can both refer to them. So anyway, I'll get this over to you, and then you can let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you.